Meaning of gazunder.
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 Gazunder. Gazunder is a colloquial term used in the UK property market to describe a situation where a buyer lowers their offer just before the exchange of contracts, leading to a decrease in the previously agreed upon price. This tactic is often used by buyers to take advantage of desperate sellers who are eager to sell their property quickly. The result of gazundering can be financially devastating for the seller, who may have already invested time and money in the sale process and may not be able to find another buyer quickly enough to recoup their losses.